All right, guys, got back home late last night. It's the next day. I am gonna unload the car and I'm gonna unload, basically do everything I just did yesterday. I'm gonna do it at this Colt, strip the interior out and start getting it swapped over. All right, guys, so this is all the stuff I had loaded up in the Fusion that I picked up in Missouri. All of that was in that little Ford Fusion. And this is all the stuff I took out of the Colts just now. I clean it out a little bit more. Pull that steering wheel off. But I'm gonna get this cleaned out tonight, really, so I can put the interior together tomorrow. It is 40 degrees out here right now, I think. My hands are cold. I think maybe I can put the back of the car together, or at least the passenger side back. I'm leaving that side out for right now because all that trim needs to be out for the window. That's kind of what she looks like right now. While I'm waiting on engine parts to come in, taking the dash out, doing interior stuff. Dang it. So afraid of breaking these things. So this is actually one of the pieces we need to paint. There we go. FedEx truck's here. All right, over here at Jack's Transmissions, dropping the trans off. They said 4 to 5 weeks to get it back. We're doing their drag spec transmission, the highest level trans they have without going to a dog box, not trying to do a dog box engagement on this. So when you're trying to finish your build in February in Colorado, probably need to move it into the garage. All right, loading the seats up to take to the upholstery shop to get them redone. We'll see what they look like when they come back.
All right, that's gonna be a wrap this time, Fast World. Come back and join us next time when we get the car into the garage, out of the snow, get the motor pulled out, get the trans back from Jack's, and get the seats back from Top Notch Upholstery. As always, thanks for watching. God bless you guys, and we'll see you next time.